Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Good morning or good afternoon. On this channel, we're going to talk about mindset, personal development, whatever else comes to the table. But I was just scrolling through Facebook and seeing my girl Robin Williams all over her. She's an amazing leader. And she put this quote, "I'm getting better and better every day." You know what, guys? We are getting better and better every day in every way. If we put our foot forward, right? If we get up, it's getting up, guys. It's getting up. Um, Today I went to the hospital. I've been having like chest pains, and I got like a little bronchial pneumonia stuff going on. And anyway, they gave me some medicine. I'm not gurgling, so that's a plus. And my girl Lori Sue, you probably see her online. She's my challenge chick. I can't wait to see her in Dallas. But she has these little songs because she works with kids. And she says, "Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body is well." You know, guys, we have to be very careful about how we speak to ourselves, what we say to ourselves, thoughts of things. By the time you get up in the morning, got all kinds of things going on. So it's so important. That's why I love that meditation app, our app, right? Because it's important to pray to your higher power, whatever it is. Give thanks, guys. Define giving thanks every day. That's where it's big. You know, I always say the good, the bad, the ugly, we all have that, right? We all want the same things. I don't care what culture we're from. We all want a roof over our head, clothes on our back, right? A good job, food on the table, and our friends and family to be safe, happy, and healthy. And it's about having a passion, having a burning desire every day. I do this in a space that helps one person. Why do I listen to the morning call? Because it helps me. I get inspired. It's that little spark of hope inside me that I want to share with you, because I really believe that that call is contagious. And if you miss the call, the replay's up for 24 hours. That's awesome. Guys, this is still my favorite spot. So my friends, I always talk about something different, but look at this meditation spot. This is Wanda. How you doing, my friend?
Like that had to be Wanda. I can tell by the back.
How are you, my friend?
I'm fine. How about yourself?
Good.
I'll
Be. Yeah. What?
See my puppy?
Oh, he's beautiful. See my friend's puppy. I'm doing my video to my friends around the world. But guys, that's just the value I wanted to share with you today.
She's looking.
Look at the dog.
Look, see? Look, say hi, Wanda.
This is my friend Bobby's dog. I was just walking and he was coming by. But, I just wanted to give you some value today, right? It's about stepping up and stepping out every day. Whatever you do, whatever you learn, whatever you overcome, right? Share it in the space that it will help one more person. So, as always, do something good for somebody else in the space of knowing they can't repay you. And click the link in my bio if you want to learn more now, how you can too. Have a product or service of value that the world needs. Be part of something bigger. And it's a product that moves the people. Like it moves me. It could move you. So it's all about being a better person tomorrow. You're not in competition with anybody. You're just a better version of you, and you're enough. So have an awesome day, guys. I love you.